Okay, so how do we find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix? The first technique we use is called the expansion by minus, and then the second technique we use is called the Sarus rule. So for now, for this video particularly, we'll focus on how to use the expansion by minus. Now, the question that will come to your mind is, what are minors? Okay, so minors are actually the determinants you get when you cross out the rows and the columns of a given element. For example, look at this matrix. We have a matrix here. So if I want to get the minors of 2, all I'm simply going to do is that I'm going to cross out this row that 2 belongs. I cross out this column that 2 belongs. What is left here, I will take their determinant. 5 minus 3, 4 minus 2. So if I take the determinant of this, already we know how to find the determinant. Major diagonal minus minor diagonal. So 5 times minus 2 is minus 10 minus 3 times 4 minus 12. And those will give us minus 10 plus 12, and that gives us 2. So this is called the minor of this element 2. It's just a coincidence that they are just the same value. Okay, so that is how to get the minor of the element 2. Okay, now so let's see how we can get the minor for 5. Now we know that this is 5. So to get the minor for 5, I'm going to cross out every element in the column where 5 is, and cross out every element in the row where 5 is. And what I'm left with is 2 and 1, minus 1 and minus 2. So this is what we call the minor of 5. And this is a determinant, and we can find this 2 times minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 times 1 minus 1 times 1, which is minus 1. So our answer is minus 4 plus 1, so that is minus 3. So which means that the minor of 5 is minus 3. So that is how to get minor. Very easy. So just recap. Let's recap. To get the minor, cross out the column and the row where that element belongs to, and use those ones that are left to form the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. And that's all. Okay, so let me talk about one other thing that is very important when finding the determinant of a matrix, especially using this expansion by minors. Now that's what we call sign placement. Okay, let me tell you what that sign placement is all about. Sign placement is when all these elements here in this matrix, they are all assigned a given plus or minus sign in an alternating way. So for example, this one is assigned, let me use a different marker. This is assigned plus, this is minus, this is plus. For this element, this is minus. You can see, since I'm having plus here, I'll have minus. The signs for the alternating, plus and minus. Here I'm going to have plus, minus, and plus. So if you check row wise, these signs are alternating. If you check column wise, the signs are also what? Alternating. So these alternating signs are assigned to each of the elements in the matrix, and this will help us when finding the when using the expansion by minus method. And this sign placement is also very useful when we begin to look for the adjunct of a matrix and the cofactor of a matrix. This sign placement is also very important. So just take note of that. So I think this is where we're going to wrap this particular video up today, so that it doesn't get too much for you. Let's be taking it bit by bit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Have a good day.